All right, this daily chart of GS. GS is a great setup. I have targets of possibility of 180 to 182. We have a great setup, and there's various buy points. If the volume is there, for example, 168 and a half could be a buy point. But if it's not there, we might need higher. We need to wait for higher prices and volume to accompany those higher prices as well. So this stock more has a range of between 168 and a half to, let's say, 170 and a half. And as we approach key numbers, the stock needs volume. So really getting in at 168 and a half or 170 and a half isn't going to make much of a difference as long as that it's done the right way, so we get a directional move, or else you're just going to be caught in a lot of chop. I mean, this stock was choppy all over in this area here, right? But it's the sector that's strong, and this is definitely bullish pattern set up here. What we need now is really volume while we move through the key areas of 168 and a half to 170. And on a half an hour chart, I looked at, if we take a 30-minute chart here, I mean, this stock can easily, um, it can in half an hour trade over 500,000 shares. So if the stock approaches 168 and a half on low volume, it's hard to say whether that's going to mean anything or not. You need probably higher prices. Whereas if we approach 168 and a half on a lot of volume, let's say even a million, um, then or at least over 500,000, then it's more likely. Then it's a lot nicer to take that earlier 168 and a half signal. So it's really a volume thing. And price. It's a combination of two in this case for Goldman Sachs. That's what it needs. I mean, regular volume hasn't. This stock doesn't go anywhere on regular volume, um, and that's what it needs, in my opinion, is more volume as we break out higher. Even in the past here, when we had a nice directional move here as we broke out here, we have 10.7 million, right? So these volumes are really low. I think that's what it's missing now is the volume. Here we had some volume to support the price over here. As you can see, the last time we had a 7.5 million, we really need this kind of volume again to come in as we're breaking up higher, or else this stock probably doesn't want to really go anywhere. If anything, it's going to chop. So you've got a great setup, but we need volume to come in on key breakout numbers to confirm as well. Thanks for listening. Like the video.